and she will be performing with her Guruji Pandit Nandkishorji Prasad on harmonium, Shri Pavan Pariharji on tabla, and Harshad Khalwaji on pakhawaj. This incredible song has been written and composed by Pandit Nandkishorji Prasad and is dedicated to all the people supporting them. So without further ado, join me in welcoming them on stage to perform this beautiful piece. My God, I had my fingers crossed, literally. But it was very, very strong and shining. Clap for her. Very well done. Clap for all the artists there. I'm sure you must have been taken into a different level of awe. Can we have you on stage? May I please welcome Mr. Piyush Jain, Senior Pediatrician Doctor, who's the best child specialist of our area. He has got special interest in neonatology and pediatric neurology. It is his passion to work for betterment of mentally and physically challenged children to bring them to mainstream of society. He is the chairman of Genesis Neurogen Child Care Center and Neuro Rehabilitation Center. He is former president of Indian Medical Association East Delhi branch. He is also the former president of Indian Association of Pediatricians. We welcome you, sir. Sir, please come to welcome him, Rahul sir. Shiva was never really a person but an abstract principle. Shiv Tattva, an all pervading consciousness that is seated deep within every animate and inanimate entity of this universe. Shiva is that nothingness from which all creations, the stars, the planets, galaxies, mountains, oceans, all the living beings, etc., manifest and into which all the creations disintegrates. We have segregated this evening into Ashtam Shiv Tattva, prepared by our children in our summer fest with beautiful forms of choreography. We, as company founders, brought forward a wealth of experience and passion through our children with this beautiful art. So come and experience the magic of their performance and be transported to a world of grace, beauty, and dignity.